This is Redmi Note 12, and in today's video I will show how you can share the Wi-Fi network with your friends, colleagues or family on this device. So let's say you have some network that you are connected to, or some network that you have saved that you've used at some point earlier, and now you are connected to it and would like for your friend, family or colleague to connect their respective device, phone or tablet, to the network as well. You can absolutely do that by going into the Wi-Fi settings, then assuming that the network that you would like to share is the network that you are currently connected to, you gotta tap on it like so, and as you can see, the system will provide you with the QR code. So from here, simply let your buddy or whoever is the person you wanted to share this network with, let them scan this QR code with their phone, and their device will be automatically connected to the chosen Wi-Fi network. Alrighty, so that will be it for today, guys. Thanks for watching, and bye-bye.